Today we have an interesting book about animal. Do you know what part of an animal this is? Who has this part? Let's see. Aha, that's a tail of a lizard. So, in this book, you can guess what animal has the part of the body and how they use that body part. Are you ready?
Yep.
What do you do with a tail like this? By Steve Jenkins and Robin Page. What do you do with a nose like this? Do you know what animals have this nose? I think I know this and this one. What about you? I'm not sure what animal has this nose. And look at this. I've never seen an animal with this type of nose before. What do you think? Okay, let's see. Oh, did you guess correctly? Now let's read one by one, okay? If you're a platypus, you use your nose to dig in the mud. And look at this. If you're a hyena, you find your next meal with your nose. And this one, did you guess it correctly? Yes, that's an elephant, you're right. If you're an elephant, you use your nose to give yourself a bath. And oh, look at that! That's a mole! We know now, right? So if you're a mole, you use your nose to find your way underground. That's a good one. And this. Did you guess it correctly? Very good. If you're an alligator, you breathe through your nose while hiding in the water. What do you do with ears like this? Do you know what animals have these ears? I think I know these ones, but I'm not sure about the others. What about you? Now let's take a look. Ah, look at this. I was correct. What about you? Yes, that's a jackrabbit. If you're a jackrabbit, you use your ears to keep cool. Do you know why? Yes, because they live in the desert. Now look at this one. If you're a bat, you see with your ears. Wow, amazing. Oh, this one, it was a cricket. If you're a cricket, you hear with ears that are on your knees. Wow, isn't that amazing? And look at this. If you are a hippopotamus, you close your ears when you're underwater. And this. If you're a humpback whale, you hear sounds hundreds of miles away. Wow, amazing. What do you do with a tail like this? Do you know what animals have these tails? I think I know this one and this one. I think I know this, but I'm not sure about this and this. What about you? Do you think you can guess? Okay, now let's see. Oh, I was correct. That was a giraffe. What about you? Oh, that's good. Now let's read. If you're a giraffe, you brush off pesky flies with your tail. And look at that, skunk. If you're a skunk, you lift your tail to warn that a stinky spray is on the way. Ew. And oh, this one, look, it's so long. If you're a lizard, you break off your tail to get away. Oh, look, this lizard breaks his tail. Oh, look at that! That was a scorpion. If you're a scorpion, your tail can give a nasty sting. Ooh, that's dangerous. Now look at this. A monkey. If you're a monkey, you hang from a tree by your tail. Ooh, his tail must be very strong, isn't it? Now, what do you do with eyes like this? Ooh, look at these eyes. I think I know this and this and this. But I'm not sure with this and this. Do you know? Now let's take a look. Oh, I was right. Did you? I know you do. That was good. If you're an eagle, you spot tiny animals from high in the air. And look at this. Chameleon. If you're a chameleon, you look two ways at once. Wow, that's cool. Look, this eye's looking that way and that eye is looking at the other way. Wow. Now, oh this, four-eyed fish. If you're a four-eyed fish, you look above and below the water at the same time. Wow, how cool that is. Now look at this. If you're a bush baby, you use your large eyes to see clearly at night. And look at that. Oh, it looks like a dinosaur, right? Oh, that's a horned lizard. If you're a horned lizard, you squirt blood out of your eyes. Sounds a bit scary to me. Now look at these feet. What do you do with feet like this? Do you know what animal has these feet? I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Ah, that was a chimpanzee. If you're a chimpanzee, you feed yourself with your feet. And now look at that. If you're a blue-footed booby, you do a dance. Wow, nice. And that. Oh, water strider. I've never seen it before. If you're a water strider, you walk on water. Wow, that's cool. And look at that. Oh, those were gecko's feet. If you're a gecko, you use your sticky feet to walk on the ceiling. And this, if you're a mountain goat, you leap from ledge to ledge. Now look at this mouse. What do you do with a mouse like this? I think I know this. But, wait, I know this one. But I'm not sure with this, this, and this. What about you? Do you know? Oh, that's great. Now let's take a look if we are correct. Wow, look at that. Pelican. If you're a pelican, you use your mouth as a net to scoop up fish. Look at that. That's a wide mouth, isn't it? Now, oh, look at that. Anteater. If you're an anteater, you capture termites with your long tongue. And now look at that. Mosquito. If you're a mosquito, you use your mouth to suck blood. And it will be very itchy, is it? And it's very itchy, isn't it? Now look at that. If you're an egg-eating snake, you use your mouth to swallow eggs larger than your head. Wow, amazing. Now look at this. Archer fish. If you're an archer fish, you catch insects by shooting them down with a stream of water. Look at that. They are great animals, aren't they? The end.
So, we have just learned amazing facts about animals, right? Now you know that every animal has very unique part and they use it in different ways. If you enjoy reading with us, don't forget to watch our other stories or our learning books in other videos. And keep reading!